Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will like to show you the way how to remove object from video in a CapCut. So the thing that you have to do, open your project and just start your video that you want to remove, and after that you need to decide which object that you want to remove. So let's say I would like to remove this small paper right here, and the thing that you have to do is just go click the clip and make the copy for this clip. You just need to go slide this feature into the left side until you find the duplicate, and whenever you find the duplicate tools, just go click it, and after that we need to make this duplicate clip become an overlay. Go back, slide into the right side until you found the overlay clip, and then just go click that. And now we need to drag this second clip here to be the same position with the original clip, and after that go back, clip the overlay sections right here, and let's just find mask. And when you found it, you just need to go click the mask part, and then since the object here is the circles, go click the circles button. And now we need to adjusting our positioning the circles into the specific part on the video to isolate or to claim the color. Okay, right there you can adjusting the positions as two, and after you're done you just need to go click done. And now you just need to pinch the clip with two of your finger while drag it into the specific part that you want to cover. Wait a minute, almost there. Adjusting the size and the positions. Okay, and whenever you're done, go random part, and this is the result. So that's the way how to remove object on the CapCut. So hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.